Hey guys, this is Taz over here at Taz Talks, and today I'm going to give you a quick unboxing for the Motortrend deep dish heavy duty floor mats. These are more of a universal cut to fit, but from the reviews on Amazon they're supposed to be really good. These are going to be going into my 2013 Chevy Avalanche. When I bought the truck it had no floor mats in it, and it's already starting to show issues with the carpet because of it, so I'm trying to put a stop to it before it gets any worse. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. The taping on this, I already cut the taping off, so and it really wasn't taped that good anyways, but either way, decent packaging. Motortrend, nice heavy rubber. We'll sign that. Let's see what these things look like. All locked together. So, shove that in there. There we go. So, happy, awesome. We're glad that you love our product. All right. Well, let's see. Well, so far, first impression, this is a heavier rubber. It does have the spikies on the back to keep it in the carpet. Let's see here. Okay, that's going to be for the back. Pull that off all the way. Look at that. Yes, they are definitely heavy enough. I like them. That deep dish design, that's going to keep that mud and stuff, snow and everything else from leaking all over your carpets. I am in Iowa, not far from Omaha, Nebraska, and we do get snow, ice, plenty of rain up here. And I live on an acreage, so muddy, the whole works. So let's see here. Here's the front ones. Yeah, that's nice. I like the whole cut to fit thing. I think that'll work out really good. Thickness wise, you can kind of get an idea from looking at that. There's the backing again. Nice simple design. Looks like it'll easily do the job. Well guys, there you go. The unboxing for the Motortrend deep dish floor mats. Check them out on Amazon. I will be putting a link on there. Make it easier for you guys to find. I did pay for these myself, so there was no money from Amazon for this or from Motortrend. And so you're getting a simple, straightforward review, which I'd give you even if they did send me the product. But no, in this case I did buy it myself. Once again guys, Motortrend heavy duty rubber deep dish floor mats. I give them 2 thumbs way up. If there's any change in the future after I have them in for 4 to 6 months, I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching Taz Talks, and see you next time.